1998, meron po akong naramdaman na kakaibang facial pain. So, akala ko po, ito ay isang ordinaryong pangingilo ng ngipin. Nagkonsulta po ako sa iba't ibang dentista at ENT doctors. So, I have done a series of different lab tests, MRI, panoramic. Ang sabi sa akin ng ibang dentista, nagluluwagan lang daw po ang mga ngipin ko dahil ito ay ako ay pyuretic. So, sabi niya, pinapasok lang daw po ng hangin yung aking mga ngipin. Nagkonsulta rin po ako sa ENT. Ito po yung specialista sa facial pain. I had a suction. My ear was suction. So, na-relieve po yung pain, but then it was just temporary. Finally, nagkonsulta po ako sa ENT dentist. Ang sabi sa akin, huwag daw po akong mabibigla kasi I have this rare disease of the nerve called mandibular trigeminal neuralgia. Sabi ko, the pain was so excruciating, stabbing, and lightning, na taas naman ang threshold ko sa pain. Bakit itong klaseng pain na ito ay hindi ko makaya? I was devastated nung time na sinasabi nila to sa akin kasi yung slight wind lang sa face ko, yung pagngiti, pagkain, at pagtutoothbrush ay sobrang sakit na po ng mukha ko. Sabi ko, hanggang kailan ako magtitiis dito sa gantong pain na to? Sabi ng doktor sa akin, you're just taking the wrong medication dahil yung iniinom mong pain medication is not for nerve. Sabi ko, ano po ba yung trigeminal neuralgia, Doc? Actually, when I browsed and the research about what my sickness is, sabi ng information sa akin, it is one of the most painful affliction in the history of medicine. And it's even labeled by some as a suicidal disease. Kaya pala may mga panahon noon na parang I wanted to end my life. Kasi sabi ko, why do I deserve such kind of pain? Nung time pong yun, naapektuhan na lahat ng activities ko, relationship ko with my family. And then, a friend approached me who happens to be a distributor of Alliance in Motion and Global. Sabi niya, you have tried all the other supplements, why not try ours? Sabi ko, sige, I will give it one more time. Nung tinitake ko na po yung complete, I was taking it for like 6 months. Sabi ko, siguro, this is just another of those supplements available in the market. Pero, tinuloy-tuloy ko rin po. And I attended Dr. Butch Villana's product demo. And from then on, nalaman ko na mali po yung inom ko ng food supplement. It should be taken on an empty stomach. So sinunod-sunod ko lang po yung lahat ng sinasabi ni Doc. And after 2 months of taking it religiously, the pain was gone just like magic. I call it miraculously amazing kasi I was suffering from the pain and sickness for 11 long years. So, Sana po, na-inspire ko kayo dun sa story ko. At sana po, maraming sa pag-share ko po nitong story ko, marami pong matulungan pa na ibang tao with my kind of sickness that is very rare. With this, I wanted to end it like, aanhin mo pa ang ginto't yaman kung nakaratay ka naman sa pinakamahal na kama. I would like to thank Dr. Butch. I would like to thank Dr. Ed Cabandu for this chance na ma-share ko yung life story ko. Thank you, Sir Francis and Sir John. Of course, lalong-lalo na sa Diyos dahil natagpuan ko ang AIM Global.